Well, after having sat in the car, driven around, trying to get some video that's not painfully lame, I get home, and Savina, the wonder dog, finally provides me some. Now, if you look to the right, you'll see that there's a board that she could be under. She's where she is because she was leashed by a house into which she refused to go. Now, it is true that the Papillons were bred down from Spaniels, which are water dogs, but this seems quite excessive and quite contrary to their ranking as the fourth most intelligent breed. And she seems to be enjoying it even. Maybe I should just go out there and rub some baby shampoo on her, and at least we'd get a clean dog for it. The other two are showing a lot more sense, however. I don't think there's any way I can show them on this video, but they're under a board that's right here by the house. It is a pretty rain, but nothing very dramatic other than Savina pole dancing. Oh, thank you, dog. Oh, there she goes pole dancing again. You've at least rescued today's videos from complete and utter pointlessness. Come on, you gonna pole dance some more, puppy? There you go. Savina, the pole dancing Papillon. Ugh,